Look here. SUNHUNK large frame self-dumping truck, high reliable attendance, European standard. European standard SUNHUNK large frame self-dumping truck KDHB1CK, high reliable attendance, no worries for you. The whole vehicle is implanted with 10 safety protection devices and 5 humanized designs. Meet the use of various scenarios in the mining area, safe and reliable. Install rubber buffer device, reduce the impact of loading materials. Protect the subframe and chassis, avoid damage. Add cargo box locking device, effectively prevent the cargo box from bouncing due to bumpy road during vehicle driving. We have been focusing on the self-unloading field for more than 20 years, all laser cutting. The whole vehicle robot automatic welding rate exceeds 70%. The details of the whole vehicle are strictly controlled, and the quality is reliable. There are no dead corners inside the cargo box. Unloading is safer and smoother, with strong carrying capacity, stable and efficient. The whole vehicle uses high-strength wear-resistant steel materials, matched with large cylinder diameter oil cylinder, stronger thrust. The side wing plate and the longitudinal beam are combined for heating, increasing the heating area of the bottom plate. Effectively prevent materials from freezing and blocking. Unloading cleaner. In harsh conditions, the rear bumper can be raised to increase ground clearance, increasing the passability. We are committed to providing customers with high attendance, high reliability, and European standard excellent products. More people choose SUNHUNK for Chinese dump trucks.